Hi there. With kindergartners, we're going to make sure that they get really proficient at sounding out simple words, consonant, vowel, consonant words. And here's an activity that I'd like you to do at home. It works really well for getting them really confident with this skill. We're going to touch the dots and say the sounds and then say it fast. So watch me. M, a, p, mop. Now you try.
M, a, p, mop.
Excellent.
W, e, t, eat.
Let's try a short vowel sound for E. That means eh. So touch the dots again.
W, e, t, wet.
Excellent.
Hug.
Very good.
A, nap.
Map.
Fin.
Very good.
T, e, a, p, tap. Is it a D or a B?
It is a D. I'll show you a trick. See how we can make a bed? And bed. And this one is the one that looks like a D, right? That's a D. Go ahead. Touch the dots. Say it slow.
D, a, t, dot. T, g, tug. K, t, k, t, cut.
Good. Now this student was very proficient at doing this, but if she was having trouble and just couldn't blend the sounds to say the word, then I would just simply say, let's do it together. Watch me. P-et, pet. Now you do it.
P-et, pet.
Good. And we would just continue in that way until your child got a little bit more confident with it. Another hint is that for kids who are struggling blending it and saying the word fast, pick letters that have what we call a sustaining sound, and you can kind of get them started with the word in this way. You can say, touch the dots and say the sounds. Go ahead.
Fin.
Yeah, and what you can do if they're, every once in a while a child will say f, in. And to help them with that, you can give them that beginning sound. Where in, and they're not quite sure how to read it smoothly, and so you can give them and then they usually can get it more easily. But if they can't, just do these together. Just you do it, your child does it, you do it together, and soon their confidence and proficiency will build up. All right, practice about 10 of those every night. Thank you. Is that okay?
Yeah. Are we still rolling?
Yeah.
Why is it still rolling?
I think I can cut off the last part.
Do you know why it's still?
I don't know. You didn't push the right button.